cute kiss.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig having a sleepover with baby Alexander. First, let's draw Peppa Pig. I'll start by drawing her head like this. Then, I'll add her 2 ears and her cute little eyes. Next, I'll draw her cheeks under her eyes and her big smiling mouth. Now, I'll draw her dress just like this. Then, I'll draw her tail and her 2 legs. Right here, I'll draw a baby mobile like this. Follow along with me. Alexander's crib mobile has a candy, a bell, a gingerbread man, a ball, and a snowman. Next, I'll draw baby Alexander. He's lying in the crib like this. I'll draw his 2 little ears and his tiny nose like this. Then, I'll draw his mouth. Oh no, he's crying. What happened? Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make the drawing clearer. Let's color it together. First, I'll use a light pink color for Peppa's skin. I'll also use light pink for Alexander's skin. Then, I'll use dark pink for their noses, cheeks, and mouths. For Peppa's dress, I'll use red and yellow. Follow along, it's easy. Then, I'll use dark blue to color this part here. For Alexander's outfit, I'll use yellow. I'll color the crib with a cream color. For the mobile, I'll use dark purple. Amazing job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.